Welcome to the Crypto Matt YouTube channel. This is Cryptounity. Start simple, stay secure.
Hello everyone, welcome to Cryptounity. This is an awesome project and we're going to get into what this is. But before we jump into it, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please make sure to do your own research. Today we are looking at Cryptounity, and this is a simple place to get started for beginners, and it's an all-in-one crypto exchange. If you don't know what that means, if you're just starting out, it's where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and so on. And the nice thing is this makes it very, very easy to do. Sometimes with cryptocurrency, there's a big challenge of getting into it, understanding it. What is blockchain? What is crypto? Why is this important? And all the ins and outs. But actually, you can see the team right here of the different individuals, and they're very, very excited. Why is that? They were just in a big event, the Blockchain Economy event in London, helping people understand about this, and they're solving a problem. What is that problem? People are skeptical about centralized exchanges because they have control over user funds, much like they're skeptical of some fiat currency or other things like that because they're highly centralized. And there's people who are skeptical of Binance, Coinbase, things like that. So what is their solution? User funds are safeguarded with the independent regulated custodian. So what they do is, as a crypto exchange, they take the security and privacy of the users extremely seriously, and they do that to ensure customer crypto assets are kept separate from the company's assets. And by utilizing a custodian, customers can trust their assets are being held in a secure and independent manner. And they're also solving another problem. What is that? Crypto world expects newcomers and beginners to figure out everything on their own. And that's what I mentioned before. This is quite complicated when a lot of people just put up like different charts and graphs and then they say this cryptocurrency. They want you to figure it out on your own. Understand what a DApp is, understand what crypto is, understand Bitcoin, understand halving, understand how to buy, sell, and trade, and then figure it all out. You know, how do you run your wallet? How do you store stuff? How do you open up a MetaMask? Sometimes it's just too much, especially if you're new and you're not tech savvy. How are you going to understand all of that? It's not really fair. So in an all-one platform with beginner-focused user experience, they have a UI UX, which is just the interface of the app with a focus on simplicity. So not only are they concentrating on security, they want this to be user-friendly. You don't want to go into an exchange you can't understand. If you go into an exchange and there's too many things, there's graphs here, how do I trade, how do I buy, how do I sell, how does it all work? You're not really going to spend the time, especially if you don't really know much about crypto, and especially if you're not super techy. The nice thing is they have a roadmap here with some really good defined goals, and the time of recording of Q1 2023. They have documentation licenses. They're listing on CMC, CG, worldwide presale, UI, UX development, as we talked about above, exclusive airdrops, early testing, expanding on the team, listing on big exchanges. Then they'll also have the alpha version of the mobile app so you can try it on your phone, integrating new functions. And the nice thing is it keeps going into 2024 as launching the beta version and more. The NFT marketplace, physical exchanges, offices. So this is going to have some physical bases and some very big names behind this. Lenovo, Crypto Duo. We can see all of them right here. Coinzilla, Highwater. And it's been mentioned by some big financial names like Yahoo Finance, Benghaza, and Crypto Node. And you can see all of the information right here, where to email them, FAQs, the white paper, the 2-pager, and some of the information right here. And if you want to take a look at the white paper, it really has a lot of good information about Cryptounity. They believe in simplicity, making everything secure. Because when you go to exchanges, sometimes it's very hard to understand how they work. Even if they're more user-friendly, still it's a challenge, and you want to make sure everything's secure. So they talk about cryptocurrencies here, what they are. It really starts from basics. They're talking about the problems and the solutions they're solving, user experience, user interface, quality, and responsive support. Their vision, the idea of the Cryptounity project was born out of the desire for a better user experience and a suitable crypto platform. And they want to bring cryptocurrencies as a whole to anyone who'd want to trade, but they just don't know where to start. And we can see the project right here, the exchange, the wallet, hot wallet, portfolios, NFT marketplaces, workshops, Cryptounity research, and help and support, giving you everything you need to get started. And why is that? Because you can start simple, you can stay secure, it's easy to use, and no blind trust is needed. So if you're new to crypto and you want something that's secure, easy to use, you don't know much about it, or you're completely new to it, you just heard of Bitcoin maybe, this is a great way to start. They have the cryptocurrency exchange where you can buy, sell, and trade crypto, and also be on mobile as well. They have the wallet, and then the hot wallet to store assets that users want to trade, And they also have the cold wallet where you can store things, and it actually has a 3-phase 3FA fingerprint, face recognition or password, one-time password, and a Cryptounity card, keeping it super safe. And you can see your portfolio here with your balance and the marketplace. They also have workshops, even online courses to help you get up to speed, seminars as well to give you more information, and research like project pursuit, smart contract audit, team review, white paper, and their business model. And they also have help and support right here, as well as the tokenomics. They break it down, their own utility token, and it's going to be called CUT. We can see the total supply, the decimals. It's going to be on BSC, and we can see all the information here on the token distribution from liquidity, project team, private sale, pre-sales, and the worldwide pre-sale, and also looking and vesting, dumping wall, different commissions with burn, holding rewards, airdrops, collect free CUT tokens, and fundraising, fund usage, their development plan, and analysis of the project demand and the response as well. You can also find the team here as they're fully doxed, from the CEO, the CTO, the social media managers, the business, public relations, and everything you need to know, as well as their must-read legal disclaimer, which you can go through, intellectual property rights. And as we said, start simple, stay secure. That is the philosophy of this in a nutshell, and that is Cryptounity in a nutshell as well. If you're new to this, you want to start simple and you want to make sure your assets are secure. With that being said, let's take a look at some of their social media. The best way to get to know the community, to get to interact with people, is the Cryptounity Telegram, where you can see there's a ton of members and a lot of people online who can help you. And they also have different rules to make sure that everything happens orderly, so you can start simple, stay secure, and get to know the awesome community right here on the Cryptounity Telegram. And we can see Cryptounity here, Cryptounity CUT. On Twitter, you can give them a follow. They have 29,943 followers. We can see why. They're doing a lot of exciting things. You can check out events they're at. You can see the different updates they have and the different phases that are going on. And especially, you can see this is a real company, real people who are excited about what they're doing. They're passionate about getting people into crypto, and they're passionate about educating people into crypto. Also, the worldwide pre-sale, something to look out for as well. And everything that they're doing is really, really exciting. So I'd love to know your opinion. So go ahead, if you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to know when I post more videos. If you have questions or comments, let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.